How to make hair mask at home for hair growth with carrot, avocado, and honey. Cut 2 carrots into small pieces along with half an avocado, and blend the pieces into a paste. Now, mix 2 tablespoons of honey into this mixture until you achieve a smooth consistency. Then, massage this paste onto your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes. In the end, wash it with a mild shampoo. For best results, follow this routine once a week. The beta-carotene in carrots will help keep your hair soft and shiny. Vitamin A and E in carrot will also help stimulate hair growth and make your roots much stronger. Avocados are high in vitamins B and E, which work at the cellular level to protect and strengthen hair. The honey in the mask moisturizes your hair and strengthens hair follicles. It also has hair conditioning effects. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.